Hello guys, everyone! Andito po ako sa kitchen ko ulit. I'm here in my kitchen, of course. And I live here too. And of course, so anyway, my name is Sina. And yeah, so I'm just introducing myself. My name is Sina, so just in case, okay? Anyway, I'm going to cook today is roast beef. It's going to be baked in the oven for 3.5 hours. So, yeah, for 350 for 3.5 hours. You can go shopping with that. See? So it's simple, right? So it's very simple process. It's going to be served first, and yeah, with seasoning first, and then served to the pan. I'm gonna use the same pan. So let me get started. Okay? So guys, here's the beef. It's 3.5 pounds, the beef. And I'm gonna use 1 onions and the whole of this garlic. Okay? And also I'm gonna use this seasoned salt. So that's my ingredients. And then of course, addition, this flavoring right here, chicken stock, bouillon. I'm gonna use probably 1 teaspoon here in this one, 1.5 teaspoons. So yeah, depends on your taste. But so anyway guys, now I'm gonna start seasoning this. Okay? Alright. So first thing I will do, I'm gonna add seasoned salt. I'm gonna season each side. Okay, that's the each side. That's the side. Yan. Para masarap siya. Okay. Baliktad-baliktad lang. Ayan. Okay. Tabi ko muna yan. Kasi mamasahiin lang siya. Tapos, siyempre, lagyan natin ng salt. We put the salt, sprinkle salt. Probably 1/2 teaspoon here. I don't wanna over, salt, salt, because make sure, it's not too salty. It's better not enough salt, and then you can season after. So this is my thing right here. I'm gonna put, of course, black pepper. Okay. Okay. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Black pepper. My goodness. Paminta po. Okay, lagyan nyo ng paminta kasi pang mapasarap siya eh. This is, it gives a lot of flavor. You can also add addition to this if you need more. Okay. Okay, so that's that. My first okay guys, and then I'm going to set aside this one. So I'm gonna prepare this one first. What I do is just crack them. I don't have a big hand to crack all of them at once. This is gonna be a garlicky beef. But if you don't like if you guys gonna cook this, if you don't like that much garlic, And you don't have to put a lot of garlic, but you know, garlic is good for you. So anyway, I'm going to smash this. See that? And we love garlic. Okay, that's that. And then guys, of course you don't want to include this skin. So I'm just gonna peeling the skin here, take it out the skin. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna put this to the cooking up. Alright, so now we use 1 onion. Onions. I love the red onion too, to use the cooking. Right? If you're gonna use this and that's all the onion you have, the white, no problem. They'll all be, you know. I think it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna roughly slice like this. Okay. See that, guys? So it's quick, right? So, alright. And then I'm gonna use to the beef, I'm gonna use a chicken stock. Organic. It doesn't have to be organic, but that's what I got. So I'm gonna use probably all of this. Maybe 1.5 cup. Yeah. So this is so our beef is not gonna be dry to use this. Okay? And then, so this is a light sodium. Okay, so more flavor to that, because this one just like a water. I don't know. I really, you know, surprised when I taste it. I thought it was have flavor. No flavor at all, guys. So I'm gonna add some bouillon. So I'm gonna add. Said 1.5 teaspoon, right? So you can add some salt later if we need more salt. But okay, so I'm just gonna mix this. So let me taste this. Oh, and yeah, this is gonna be yummy. You know why? Because I already we have a base liquid here. So let's do it. Okay, guys, let me turn on the reheat this cast iron. Okay, I'm gonna cook the beef in this cast iron skillet. I'm gonna sear the beef in this skillet also. So let's just let it hot. That's good. So guys, what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to use a bacon fat. Ito po yung yung bacon, yung taba ng bacon. Yes. Gagamitan ko siya ng 1 tablespoon. Okay? 1 tablespoon. There you go. Masarap siya. This is gonna be yummy because I know. Because with bacon fat, oh my god, everything is good with bacon fat. So I want the skillet, it's very, very hot. So guys, ito na yung here's the beef. Let's see right now. I am going to, guys, I'm going to sear the meat each side. Baliktaran po pag-sear sa kanya para po masarap siya. We're making umami. Okay guys. Baliktaran mo na. Guys, ilalagay ko na the garlic. So good. Ito na po yung chicken stock. Ulan. Bubbling. So this is ready to the oven for 3.5 hours or more. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the stove and this is going to the oven. Okay guys. Halikan na! Okay, it's kind of heavy, so use your muscle. Okay, go. So it's gonna be cooked. See you later! So guys, decide to cover up with aluminum foil. Okay? Okay, just to hold the moisture inside. So guys, the beef is tender. See how tender that one is. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Have wiggle, wiggle. So it's cooked like 3 hours. Yeah. Yeah, 3 hours and a half. Yeah. So, let it cool. Then I'm gonna dress it up.